Who is Connected Workspace for? Connected Workspace is ideal for companies that want to minimize laptop, licensing, maintenance, and associated costs. Companies that want to control data access each employee has, i.e., no downloading of files. Seasonal or project-based businesses where giving laptops to contractors or seasonal employees just isn't practical. Connected Workspace offers a simple and predictable pay-as-you-go subscription model, making it easy to scale up or down on demand. The Connected Workspace is also highly configurable, tailored to users' needs based on the tools they use, effectively eliminating the one-size-fits-all model. This saves your customers a lot of money, since they don't need to choose between existing Office 365, Virtual Desktop, Microsoft Teams, or Contact Center investments. Are you a managed service provider selling IT services? Add our Connected Workspace solution to your IT offerings and significantly increase your value to your customers. The best part is you have nothing to manage, no on-site servers or support to deal with. Our support team handles all the hardware, software, support, you name it. Or are you hosting your own cloud services? Eliminate the time and cost of self-hosting data centers and customer support. Keep your existing infrastructure while you migrate to Connected Workspace. There are no large upfront hardware purchases or capital expenditures to deal with as your business grows. It's very easy for you to deploy and manage your customers with the self-serve customer management portal. Add new customers, add new users, and adjust features for each. The updates are virtually instantaneous, so that users are up and running in no time.